Hello and welcome back to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I am Dustin and we are talking about Palantir once again, which I know my Palantir gang is with me again today. One of the things that's the most impressive to me is that we see red lettering or red background with black lettering. When you have that, that means it is two standard deviations above the mean currently, which I love because for me, that means that we are seeing continued demand being in charge here. And we look at this kind of like signal of the candle of what we saw, we are kind of impressed. And when I say we, I mean me, are impressed by the fact that like we got a big breakout to the upside yesterday. We had 62 million shares that pushed us up. Today we had 63 million shares, and these are not crazy days. These are not like 227 million shares traded like they were before. We're still seeing continued push up. We're up 1.17% today, 6.25% over the past 5 days, 1%. I mean, look at this. You've got the 1 day, 5 day, 15 day, 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month that are all now positive. We've got two go long signals on the short term. We don't have a convincing move, but we did get a short term, intermediate term, and bullish flip completely across the board, which is huge to see. We look here at the rolling sentiment. We are not in those 60s anymore. We are in the 50s, and it looks like we're rising a little bit again, but we have fallen, and that is really positive to see. In this chart, I mean, we do expect that this is a little bit of compressed move. That's probably turned over in the shares, people who bought down here, who are trying to get out, not quite sure, but it doesn't really make me think that there's a change in trend. I still see positivity on the horizon for Palantir because the thing that I'm really excited about is if we get the volume to shoot above this 15-day moving average. That red line is a 15-day rolling average of the volume. And when we had the volatility of the volume breaking out like this, we had the volume breaking out above that 15-day, we were getting moves, boys and girls. We were getting newer highs, we were getting higher highs, and we were getting excited weekends because everybody was like, my calls are in the money. But when we look at the volatility, I love what I see because it's completely resetting. Now it's back down at the bottom. It may go down, like it could go down to 0.026, whatever it could. But what we see right now is that volatility and the price correlation have completely reset. It looks like the range is ready. It looks like everything is set up for the future. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? And before you leave, do yourself a favor. Subscribe to the New High newsletter. It comes out Sundays at 9 just for you. I'll talk to you soon.